welcome to Reader's Theater. We're teachers at Northern Michigan University, and we're going to be doing our Reader's Theater for the Doorbell Rang by Hutchins. All of the kids should have a bag of cookies and a plate. Please don't eat them until you're told to do so. When you hear this sound, I want you all to look at me and wait for more instructions, all right? All right, this is Reader's Theater, and let's get started.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, hi, kids.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. How was school today?
Did Grandma make cookies?
No, I did, but you'll love them.
Good. We're
Yeah, put your
starving.
stuff down and wash your hands, and then I'm going to put the cookies down here on the table, and you can come over and have some cookies. How was school today?
That's good.
Okay, good. You turned your homework in?
Of course.
Good. Did you, Nate? Oh, good. Now be careful, they're still really hot, so make sure you share them. There's 12 cookies on the plate.
All right, each of you have 12 cookies in your bags. I want you to put them on your plate and split them into 2 piles because we have 2 people. When you're done, I want you to put your hand on your head and look at me. Very good.
That's 6 each, right?
Yeah, because 6 plus 6 is 12, and Mom gave us 12 cookies.
They look as good as Grandma's.
Duh! They smell as good as Grandma's, too.
But you know, kids, nobody makes cookies as good as Grandma's. Did you hear the doorbell? Oh, okay, doorbell rang. Hold on. Oh, look, it's Emily. Emily and Sarah, come on in. Now, you know, I just made some cookies for the kids, and you can share them, so sit down.
How many cookies are there?
There's 12 cookies, and now there's 4 of us.
We have 4 people now, so now we need to split our cookies into 4 piles. When you're done, smile.
That means we each get 3.
They look and smell as good as Grandma's.
But you kids know, nobody makes cookies as good as Grandma. Oh, was that the doorbell again? Okay, I'll go get the door. Oh, Sarah, hi. Oh, you brought your skateboard today. Oh, Angelica, you brought your little sister too.
Yeah, she
Look
brought
who's
me home
here,
again.
kids. Yeah, I just made some cookies, so we can share the cookies with Angelica and Sarah, but just make sure everyone gets the same amount.
How many are there?
There are 12 cookies and 6 of us.
Who can tell me how many piles we're going to split our cookies into now? 6 piles. Very good. When you're done, I want you to touch your nose. Very nice.
It's 2 cookies each. They look as good as Grandma's. And they smell as good too.
Oh, but you know, nobody makes cookies as good as Grandma.
Would you do me a favor? See that button on the wall? Would you go stand over there and push it and wait until someone comes and talks to you?
Is that the doorbell? Oh, okay. Oh, could you wait here just a minute? Okay, there's a lot of here. But I want my cookies. I don't know where did all these people come from. I don't think we're going to have enough cookies. Oh, dear. Oh, let's see if I've got some in the cupboard here. Oh, no, what's the doorbell? Oh, my gosh. Oh, Grandma! Oh, come on in.
Wow, Grandma, look at all the cookies you brought.
Look at all these people we get to share them with. Good thing I made a lot.
And nobody makes cookies like Grandma.
You can eat your cookies. All right, for those of you that didn't hear it, you're able to eat your cookies now.
And thank you very much for coming today.